5 years into trading, I've come to learn a lot of things. I've come to experience a lot of things, and I got to understand a lot of things about life. Right? I want to be a forex trader. I want to start a side hustle. I think I'm tired of my 9 to 5. I think I need to find freedom. And you choose forex trading. Handshake to you, because all you just need to do is to stay in your comfort of your home, stay in the comfort of your anything, stay at even in the beach, even on top of the rock, and press buy and sell. You move your direction and you make shit ton of money. Funny as it sounds, it is true. It is true, but it comes with a lot of things. It's giving you two pills. Take how easy it is. Oh, I want the easy pill. But behind that easy pill comes a lot of things you have to conquer. Do not tell anyone you trade. It sounds cliche, right? It sounds somehow. I am a forex trader. I should show everybody I trade, of course. I should show people so that I can teach them. Of course. Do not tell or show anyone you trade. If you really want to be profitable in the long run. Now, this comes with an if statement. If you really want to be profitable, if you just want to be trading for the fun of it, or you want to make trading an entertainment, something to either make people laugh or make people amazed and stuff like that, you can choose to share with everyone. But if you want to be consistently profitable in the market, if you want to really make returns out of the market over the long period of time, then you should shut your mouth up. You should shut your mouth up. Yeah, I'll tell you this. Let me give you a story. When I started trading in 2019, up in 2020, I had contacts. I just finished secondary school, my God, 2018. I just finished secondary school. I still had contacts. You know, all this rush of trying to keep up with your classmates on social media, WhatsApp, Snapchat, and everything. So I said, oh my God, I learned a new skill. I just started a new skill. I just learned a new skill. Forex trading is a cool skill. I can make money at home. And I thought that I was going to share it to everybody I know. I posted on my status, I posted on my story, I posted everywhere. I post my trading everywhere to show to people how cool it is to be a trader. Of course, it was cool actually. Now, everybody in my contact or everybody in my school knew me right then as Michael the trader, Michael the forex trader. You know, you get a lot of gratifications. Hey, Michael, come and teach me how to trade. Michael, come and do this. Michael, come and do this. I want to learn how to trade. Please come and trade for me. Come on. A lot of things were coming up for just me showing out to people that I am a trader. And sometimes I felt good about it. But as time went on, as time went on, I got more opportunities. I got opportunities, a lot of opportunities with this. You understand? You know, becoming that guy, when you're just that guy, humans always want to follow. Normal humanity make humans want to follow. If you do something right, a human will want to follow you. That's how it is. So I was the leader and they were the follower. I started trading and I was doing well. Then I got to the next level of trading where I was supposed to be seeing, I was supposed to be making returns way above what I was making then. Because back then I was making returns of like $20, $30, $40. That was how small. When I moved up to the level where I was making, let's say we start making $500, $1,000, I was risking $1,000 or points where I was now risking 250. Like trading was getting more serious then, right? When you now start dealing with, quite a larger amount of money than you were when you started. I started noticing something. Oh, Michael, the Forex trader. I come to uni, everybody knows me as Forex trader. They just say, Michael, the Forex, like a lot of things. And with time, I didn't know. This thing started putting some kind of me always wanting to please people with my results, right? You're a Forex trader, of course, you should not be a loser. You're a Forex trader, of course, you should always be, you know, you should always be that person all the time. You don't want to be a forex trader. Oh, they know that you have money. Oh, they know that you're making a ton of money. And you come and tell them, hey, I've been in a losing streak. No, that's not going to be a good story. You always have to stand out, You have to be that guy. I started noticing those things. And when I now started taking big losses in the market, the time when I need to like calm down, recollect myself, and reevaluate myself, I never focused on that. What was I always focused on? Trying to what? Please these people. Trying to, okay, I am that trader. Don't worry, I'm nothing. It's a small issue. And if I go back and see the kind of mistakes I made in the past, you all trading prop firms right now. Then I have 300K accounts. At the age of, how old was I then? That was 2021. I was 19 years old in 2021. Yeah. I had 300K accounts. 100K. 300K account. That's what I had then. How did I get this account? I got this account from my profit that I made in small accounts, right? 300K account was worth over $1,400. That's what I had in challenges. But do you know that just because of the rush I wanted to have, or just because of that bounce back I wanted to have to show people that yes, I am the guy, I lost three of those accounts to an FOMC news. Like I lost all those accounts to an FOMC news. Come to think of it, like, see, I'm telling you that I had friends coming over to my house. I found $500 then, right? I found a lot of money. Sometimes I just found $500 to flip NFP. I am that guy, of course. But what happened when the reality kicked in? When you really need to take trading serious, like, there's a point, there's a level of trading you get to. There's a entertainment trading, beginners trading, and that's why you have brokers telling you that you can start with $10, $100. There is another semi-professional level when you start making trading your source of income, right? So now you know that these things are paying your bills, so you don't joke with it. Then there is now the professional level when trading now is your life. Like trading is part of you. You understand? You're dealing with life-changing money. You can't just joke with it like the way you're joking with your $10. So that was the semi-professional level I was getting to, and I started realizing these things. I get an account. It's not that you guys always think that trading is the strategy that is the issue. I'm telling you now that with support and resistance trading, you can make a lot of money in the market. A lot of money with support and resistance. So stop looking for the best strategy and start looking on how you focus on yourself. So with a lot of I started noticing that I was having a lot of opportunities. About all the money I had saved then, I put them back in my account. And I am just trying to meet up to people to, like, I don't know, that was what I was feeling, and that's how it was. Even if I tell myself, oh, I'm not trying to please anybody, but I just became a purpose pleaser out of the blues. I started like, I want to please people, I want to ego trade. Anytime I take a big win, the first thing that comes to my mind is I have to post this trade on my story to show these people that I really caught this move and I'm a big trader, right? Anytime I take a loser, I will hide it. Even if I claim, hey, losses are part of the game, I want to own up that losses are part of the game. I only post it once in a while. I was suffering this thing for a period of time, thinking that my strategy was the problem. I lost a lot of money. I lost a lot of money trying to please people. Now, how did I recollect myself? How did I find out that this was an issue? I found out that this was an issue when I was on that stage of being a semi-professional watch trader. I had a mentor then. His name is Sean Lee. If you've been trading in a while, you should know Sean Lee. He's my goat. You understand? Sean Lee is my goat, and sadly, he's not on social media again. All the traders we had back then in 2018, 2019, 2017, late 2020, all of them are out of social media because of how crazy the social media trading is right now. How social media is painting trading. It's very, very crazy. Honestly, I am here sharing my experience because I feel like people need to hear this, and I feel like people need to wake up. You understand? I try my possible best to try and make you wake up. You understand? I'm not trying to force you on you, but if you want to wake up, if you want to level up yourself, right? That's this video is for you. It's not for everybody. So now Sean Lee used to say something then, and what did he used to say? He said that all social media influencers, like all Forex social media influencers, we go to jail. Why? I was like, why are you saying that you go to jail? Like these guys are. He called them not traders. He called them influencers. He called them traders because, of course, these guys are not traders. They are influencers. They're trying to sell you something. I'm not calling anybody's name, of course. They're trying to sell you something. They're trying to portray the lifestyle that isn't real for you. so that you could possibly, call them good traders or come to their academy and trade. But they are not real traders, making you distracted from what you really need to focus. Now, when the reality hit me, when the reality hit, so late 2023, early 2020, I also give you this example. I got a 10k, I got a 10k account, a 10k prop firm. I passed this prop firm, like I got this prop firm trying to prove to somebody that I was going to pass it. Yeah, he was like, "Can you do it?" Yeah, can you do it? I said, "Yes, I can do it." So I got this prop firm from him, right? I passed the first one. I was happy that I passed the first one, but I was more happy that I was trying to prove a point to him. Phase two, guys, my profit floated 10,000. I was supposed to make 5%, but my profit floated 10,400 and something. So it was remaining around $50 to pass, but it reversed back and it stopped me out, and I built the account. What happened? The person I was trying to please, so that I didn't make it. Okay, I'm not a good trader. I was trying to please him, and that was when reality kicked in. Why are you showing everyone you are a trader when you've not even mastered yourself? When the best traders are even anonymous. So who are you to be showing everyone you are a trader? There's something I see right now on social media, on YouTube. I feel like it's just a trend. I want to document my journey. I want to document my journey. You started trading 2 years ago, but you feel like you get a prop firm account and you come on social media and say you want to document your journey, how you go for a challenge, so profitability. You want to document. I've been there. I'm not saying this is something I have experienced. I'm not saying out of the blues. You understand? I want to move from zero to $10 million, and you're making it public. Oh my God, you will be stuck in 10 years. You are going to be stuck in 10 years. See, work in silence. Serious work are done in silence. Serious work are done in solitude. That's what I got to understand with myself. If you really want to work on yourself, if you really want to build the wealth that you want to do, you don't have to come on social media to document each and every one of it on social media. You don't need it. You're only accountable to yourself. No one is putting pressure on you. Funny as it may sound, you come on social media and you say, "Oh, you're documenting your journey, how you're going there. You had a losing week. Of course, it's normal to have a losing week, but imagine staying in front of 1,000 people telling them you are always having a losing week." Funny as it may sound, even if you tell yourself that it's part of the game, you're not being shaken. You are shaken inward because no one in this life wants to feel like a failure. Trust me, that is how you've been made. You don't want to feel like a failure amongst people. Even if you come online today and say you had a winning week today, everybody praise you. Hey, he's a good trader. The next week you come online and say you had a losing week. The next week you come online and say you have a losing week. And this something, it's happening in your head. It's happening in your psychology. Now, on the fourth week, when you come on social media, right, you will feel somehow to say that you had a losing week. Even if you report that you had a losing week, the next week and you also have a losing week, you feel somehow because you don't want to you don't want to be perceived as a failure. And I see a lot of people doing these mistakes. I've been there, I've tried it before. If you want to build yourself, walk in silence. Right now, Michael, my contact people don't even know me as a forex trader again. Nobody knows me like a forex trader. Like nobody knows me as a forex trader. I trade every day. I do this every day, and people don't know except you watching this video right now. Except my 1,295 followers, subscribers right now that are watching this video that know that I am a trader. And the kind of content I make, you right now, it's not even, I'm not coming to show you charts and everything and all this kind of that you just solely see that it's a forex trading channel. You have to really watch my video, see the titles. Okay, these are the videos. These videos are meant for forex traders and blah 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 blah. I am in a Reddit group. I don't know if you guys use Reddit or something. If you use Reddit again, thumbs up to you because that's one of the best social media platforms. I'm in a Reddit group. So I was active on Reddit, right? I think that was like 5 months ago. I was, posting on Reddit and there was a group I saw. It was a Forex trading group. I'll not call the name of the group. That group is discreet as possible. See, what made me enter that group was the post I was making. The way they saw my mindset. They saw that it wasn't the conventional one. It wasn't the popular one that everyone has out there. That was what made me enter that group. And I'm telling you that people close trades with $500,000. People make withdrawals of $3 million. People's commissions are your balances. People's commissions, the commissions that people pay in a month is bigger than your balance, maybe times 3. I'm not trying to shame you or anything. But you don't know this. I don't even know them because in Reddit it's like an avatar. It's not like a profile picture. It's an avatar. Everybody has a weird name, right? You don't know anybody in person, and no one is talking about the numbers. Nobody say, hey, I made. Do you think that if they come on social media today and say I made $10 million in space of 2 years trading, they will make the video will go viral and they will like have 1 million followers. They'll have people wanting to let them teach. They become popular. They become that person. They become that image, and that's what they don't want. And that's what trading is generally. I'm telling you that the best traders, you don't know them. You don't know them at all. It's not like they don't want to be known. If they want to be known, you would know them tomorrow. Say, if they post a video today, you know them tomorrow. That's to show you the nature of the business you're in. Silence. Work in silence. Everything should be in silence. If you're starting trading today, no one should know that you are a trader, because when someone knows that you're a trader, it makes them have some kind of expectations from you. It makes, oh, he knows I'm a trader. Of course, I'm dealing with money. I should be profitable by now. That's the thing. By now. And what makes you feel like taking time to be profitable is bad? Because you want to show to people. You want to show the flashy lifestyle. You want to live the lifestyle. The lifestyle is hungering you. You want to drive flashy cars. You want to fly. You want to carry the best women. You want to go. That is what is making you impatient with yourself to really understand the game. Why? Keep it as discreet as possible. It should be your little mystery. Before you know I am a trader, I have to tell you. And I don't just tell anybody I am a trader. And right now, I went out on a date with a girl and she asked me what I do for a living. I told her I'm building. I told her I'm just building. I'm building a lot of things. That's what I told her I do for a living. I'm building. I'm a builder. I don't have to tell her I'm a Forex trader, because if I tell her I'm a Forex trader, she now sees me, oh, he's a Forex trader. Hey, you should be. No, I don't want that. You should not want that too. Accountability is only to yourself. You don't owe anyone accountability. No one gives a about you. Trust me, no one gives a about you. You don't owe anyone accountability. No one is paying you to do it. Footballers, athletes today, they receive huge amounts of money. Do you know why they receive huge amounts of money? Do you think it's because of the athletics? Do you think it's because of the football? There are a lot of people that play football on the street and don't get a penny from it. It's because they perform under people, under pressure. A lot of billions of people are watching these people. And the slightest mistake they do, they get criticized for it. And that is why they are paid that huge amount of money. You can't start Forex trading today and you're fronting everything you're doing about Forex trading. You are going to be unprofitable. It's going to take you time to realize, but this is what you're going to do. People out there fronting their wealth and everything about other Forex, they are doing it for its two reasons, so that you can get into the academy. Understand that. But do you have an academy? Do you want to be like that? Or do you want to make money from trading? Trading gives you a type of wealth. And do you know kind of the wealth trading gives you? They call it stealth wealth. Stealth wealth. I learned about that word just 2 days ago. I was watching this guy's video about when you get rich, stay silent. It gives you wealth that you don't have to show to people. It gives you wealth that you just have to, keep it to yourself and don't have to show to people. That's the kind of money trading gives you. Because if I make $50,000 every month and I come to meet you and say, hey, I make $50,000 every month, I am going to risk this $50,000 I make every month for just gaining that what popularity. I know you can make a lot of money for mentorship. You can make a lot of money from, but if everyone wants to be a mentor, who will now be the true mentor? Keep trading as discreet as possible. It will save you a lot of things. You don't owe anyone accountability. You don't need to show anyone that hey you are no, keep it as discreet as possible. On my phone, my trading apps are hidden. Everything about my trading is hidden on my phone. So in case I'm out there in the public, I can't check my trading if I am not in the closed area. I don't want you to know that I trade. And with that, you can focus on yourself. You can focus on the things that really matter. You can focus on, okay, I am going sideways. I need to call myself back. You don't owe anyone accountability. I'll say it again. If you want to document your journey, document it in quarters, document it in chunks, in last time frames. You can document your journey in every quarter. There are 4 quarters in a month, in a year. You can document your journey every quarter. It's better. But every week, who do you owe that accountability? Except you want to be a social media influencer, you want to be a content creator, and your niche is forex trading. Except that. But if it's not that, if it's you wanting to be a very good trader, profitably, you don't need to show. See, trading has a lot of money. God, money is silent. That's the nature of money. It's silent. It's not money. Money is not. It's not noisy. It's silent. I'm not going to. I feel bad for telling you guys about this Discord, but at least you guys can never find out about this Discord. This Reddit group. Even if you find out, you might not know them. Eventually, you might find out, sure, but you might not know them. A lot of people are like, there are people that are even making 100K monthly, 200K monthly from this market you're seeing. Is it that they don't have devices or think they cannot speak? Is it? Do you feel like they cannot do any of these things? That's why they're not on social media. No, it has to be as discreet as possible. Wake up today. You don't owe anyone accountability. This is the third time of me saying it. Keep it discreet. When you keep it discreet, you'll be able to work on yourself properly. Properly. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.